How's everyone doing today? Shankar Pura here. Today, we're going to look at the broader markets, Bitcoin, S&P 500, just to see what's going on in the charts. Is the bear market over? Is the bull market about to start? Or are we going to have a leg further down? Stay tuned for this video and we'll find out. Let's dive into the charts. Right, guys, so right here I have the S&P 500. We haven't looked at this in a little while. I've just been showing updates on trades. I mean, it was a holiday today, so we didn't enter any trades today. So let's look at the S&P. So I have stated anytime the S&P 500 is below the moving average, 200-day moving average, normally indicates that we're in a bear market. And we have been since we've rejected right here. We've been in a bear market. Right, so we've just been grinding down. Now we have not made any new highs yet, but what a lot of people are saying is, or what I'm seeing is, we have this point right here of this could be a low, right? So now, with saying this is a low, we can't say this is a new low yet because we have to form a high. Right, so if we don't make a higher high, I would not consider this, a new low, a higher low, because then we'd just be going further, making a lower low, right? So, to change the trend. To change the trend, to have the trend change, we actually need to maintain a higher high. Having a low here does not matter as much if we don't make a higher high. Right, so for us to show this trend, yes, we made we reversed here, but for us to say that we're back in an uptrend, we have to break these highs, retest, either retest there or have a retest here, and then we're off to the races. Right, so that is what I'm looking for right now to say, hey, okay, we're in an uptrend. This right here doesn't mean too much to me. The weekend, the price hasn't been traded since Friday. The price could definitely break down even further and we could have another leg down, right? Easily can break down further. So let's look at this chart and see if we can find any indicators to show like, hey, you know what? Maybe we will increase further down. Let's pull the fibs from here to here. So we can see, okay, we're not only are we at the 200-day moving average and this trend line, so this blue trend line here, let me just pull this up. So we are also at a price reversal zone, so a Fibonacci zone of 61.8. so normally areas 88.6, 78.6, 61.8 and 38.2 are areas where the price normally will reverse. So this zone right here, we have a lot of confluence already, just showing us, hey, opportunity for price to actually have a nice rejection, close back, have a bearish engulfing, and then make newer lows. Now based on the Fibonacci's, our targets would be right here. So the price is around 33.28 and 30.93. So those are areas where the price could definitely hit. Immediately we're just looking for it to get to the previous lows of 35.18. So yeah, so just keep in mind that the S&P 500 is the top 500 stocks in the US market, and if we do continue down, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will most likely follow. So that's why I want to start off with that. So now let's look at our boy Bitcoin and see what's going on. So you can see now Bitcoin, we're on the daily time frame. We did have a massive pump up, amazing, grateful for that pump, whoever scaled in. I haven't been trading Bitcoin as much, but been watching it all the time. So we scaled in. We definitely reached these highs right here. back to these highs. And if you know the reason for this drop, so this drop here was actually the FTX drop. So FTX, the news of FTX came out. Damn, it seems like it was so long ago. It's only a month ago. Wow. And all we've done is just came back to where the FTX drop was. So, you know, price, this doesn't mean anything to me in saying that we're reversing. You know, good thing is, I would say, is that we're above the previous high of 20. Here, let me go to, there we go. We're above the previous high of 2017. So that's a wonderful thing. Is that 2017, we are maintaining above those highs, right? The good thing for the bulls and anyone who's wondering if this is the bottom is that a positive note is that we didn't get a rejection from that and head further down. So that's a positive note. However, just looking at this here, we just came back up here, so we could definitely see a nasty retrace back down, right? I do not think we're gonna just be heading up. Best case, consolidating. We could have this range being a low right here between 16,000 and 22,000. Definitely could be a range of that. That's just where the low is gonna be for the next 6 months. You know, but I do not see us, you know, heading any higher right now. We haven't even reversed this massive downtrend we've been on. Right, haven't reversed it at all. We are over the 200-day. We are over the 200-day at the moment, so that is a good sign. So as you can see, anytime Bitcoin does go over the 200-day, we do have a nice rally. So we're over the 200-day here, had a nice rally up. Over the 200-day here, had a nice rally up. We're over the 200 here, had a nice rally. Now we are over the 200-day at the moment. So price could definitely rally, you know, have a nice decent rally right here. This was 172%, right? So keeping that in mind, if you're trading altcoins, that there's definitely be an opportunity for you to take a longs on alts. So you can see in the 2017 low, we were here. Altcoins are just bouncing around here on the 2017 low. So, you know, this could well be the bottom, you know, and if it's not, I don't see us going exponentially lower from here. So scaling into some coins for the long term, for the next bull run, definitely great, you know what I mean? Definitely a great opportunity, but I would not FOMO in all in here, because I do not see, you know, we do have a lot of work to do just to, you know, get back into a bullish, more bullish place. So you can see here, back in 2018, we bottomed here, came up, had a nice rally, could have taken advantage of that, then pulled back, right? And then you had another opportunity to buy in here. So this definitely could be another opportunity. We have a nice rally, we could get rejected right here. Get rejected right here, pull back, and then head higher. Definitely a possibility. So don't take that out as a possibility. You know, there will always be an opportunity. So if the price does break up, just take it as a sign that, you know, buy on the pullbacks. You know, load in on pullbacks. When the price gets to around here, you can load in, DCA in, and then wait for the next wave up, right? So really, that's all for today, guys. I mean, stay at it, stay motivated, you know, give yourself 2 to 4 years to understand this craft. You know, some people it takes 6 months, most people it take 2 to 4 years. And you know, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's gonna be here for a long time. We have decades to make money within this market. You know, gold is a market that's been around for a long time, and people consistently make 5 to 10,000 a day, right? So don't be discouraged. Don't think you're missing out. You're never missing out. There's always a new S curve available. You know, just protect your capital. And if you miss this pump on Bitcoin, just look for a retrace, buy on retraces on an uptrend. You know, and same with the downtrend, just buy the retrace the other way, right? So we're not out of the woods yet. You know, I think we could have some more consolidation before the next bull run. And again, if we believe the halving is something that has a play in Bitcoin, we have some time before the next halving does occur. So without further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video and tune in next time. Thank you.